Hey guys, welcome back to Film Pickle, and today we are talking about Dhurandhar The Revenge. I went yesterday for a preview show, and thankfully my show played on time. I really liked the first part. I saw it 3 times in theaters and I guess n number of times on Netflix and on reactions. So in the first movie, I know every character, every line, every frame. So does part 2 live up to that? It does. It lives up to it completely. However, there is a tonal shift in the movie. So we'll go with the pros and the cons. And the cons are very less. The first con, the music is good, but it is not as good as the first part. The first part had awesome bangers. Part 2 has good tracks. It's better than what most of Bollywood presents. You can see they've used the best music in the first part because it was crucial for them to establish the movie. Part 2 has good songs, but they're nowhere compared to the previous one. But that's okay. The background music, the background score is itself is good. Some of the songs are also good. They're not bad, but just doesn't live up to the legacy that has been set only 3 months before. Another con that I felt was the gritty part of Liari was missing. We only see it in couple of scenes in the beginning and then the whole story shifts. No spoilers, but it's obvious that Hamza has moved ahead in life. The gritty part, the part where he was from the streets, that part is missing, but it is something that if you liked about the first part, you will sort of miss in the second one. And the third con, the first 40-45 minutes of the movie goes by really fast. Like I thought only 15 minutes had passed and it was almost an hour, and everything goes by really fast. And if you see the trailer, you'll think, oh, this is a major action scene. And all of those are kind of like hurried past and are kind of a montage. Maybe it was initially planned as a much bigger action scene, but it has been cropped down. Now comes the pros. The runtime is a pro. Even though the running time is 3 hours 42 minutes or something after the censor cuts, the movie goes by really quickly. I didn't feel even one portion was dragging. There was not even a chance to look down at the phone screen to see what is the time. Because in the time they have taken, the information is so densely packed that there is not even a second where you will feel bored or you will feel your attention is drifting. Now coming to the performances. The first part belonged to Akshay Khanna, sure. What Hamza did, like what Ranveer Singh did as Hamza, was melt so effectively into the background as an actor that itself was commendable. Second part, he's front and center. It's his movie and he shines in it. Like this is one of not only his career best, if you know any actor, it will be their career best. This is his Godfather 2. This is his Godfather and Godfather 2 combined. And not many people have that on their resume. And what a performance. And not just him. Every small single role, 1 line, 2 line, completely memorable. You will not be able to forget the characters in here. Even the small role of the ISI chief by Raj Joshi, done so well. And it also has a phone flashback scene like the last time. No spoilers, but there's a phone flashback with a nice song. And the song will surprise you. Maybe it's playing in the background. You'll kind of get the idea. Let's talk about the opening scene. The opening scene is insane. In itself, it's one of the most brutal, well-made action scene I have seen in any action film till date. It hooks you into the film, and how? That one scene makes this whole movie a masterpiece, and there are a lot of good scenes after that. But that one scene is so well done. It is unbelievable. So do not miss the opening. So my verdict, I gave the previous movie 10 out of 10. This movie for me is a solid 9 out of 10. That 1 mark is less because of the music. So 9 out of 10, a solid watch. And together, Dhurandhar 1 and 2 together will be our generation's Sholay. And not just that, 10 years, 15 years from now, we will be saying, I was there when this craze happened. I saw this in theaters, first day, first show, preview show, whatever it is. I was there. It's gonna be that iconic a movie to remember. So that was our review on Film Pickle for Dhurandhar. If you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you.